gives you the ability to easily sign in for an event using your mobile device. This option is only available when the organization with whom you're volunteering has enabled the feature. To utilize mobile sign-in, locate the confirmation or reminder email you received for your volunteer opportunity. Click the link for mobile sign-in in the email. A web page will open on your device. You may be required to allow location permission. Service will never share this information, and it is only used to help the organization verify you are at the correct location. Then click the Sign In button, and you are done. If your organization requires you to sign out, follow the same steps to do so. Service provides an additional mobile sign-in option. To access this option, sign into your profile with your device by navigating to the Service page on the organization's website. Click Sign In and enter your email, first name, and password. Once signed in, click View Registration for an upcoming opportunity. Click the Sign In button next to the event you are volunteering for. Follow the same steps to sign out.